How to fix Telegram video call issues. If your Telegram video calls are glitchy, lagging, or not starting at all, here's how to troubleshoot them. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. That might be an issue. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and vice versa. Then go to Telegram settings and tap on privacy and security. Here on the voice and video section, make sure video calls are enabled. Next, check your camera permissions in the desktop settings. Telegram needs access to your webcam to start a video call. Close any other app that might be using the camera too. If the issue persists, restart Telegram or reinstall the app if needed. Updating your webcam drivers often fixes unknown video issues. Have you noticed these problems only on group calls or private ones? Let me know in the comments below. And now your video calls on Telegram should be back to working smoothly. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.